Technology is changing faster than ever. The question is, are you ready to learn, build, and grow? Welcome to Tech with Koushik, your destination for practical technology learning, real-world solutions, and skills that move your career forward. Master cloud computing with practical tutorials, clear concepts, and focused certification preparation. Explore cloud architecture, security, services, and real-world solutions. Step into the future with artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation. Discover powerful AI tools, intelligent workflows, and practical ways to work smarter. Learn programming and software development by building, testing, and solving real problems. Turn ideas into working solutions, one line of code at a time. Prepare with exam-style practice questions, correct answers, and clear explanations. Do not just memorize answers. Understand the concepts, recognize the patterns, and prepare with confidence. Build real projects. Develop in-demand technical skills. And get practical guidance to move confidently from learning, to building, to growing. Ready to take your technology journey to the next level? Subscribe to Tech with Koushik, enable notifications, and never stop learning. Visit KoushikMaji.com for more study resources. Let us code, learn, build, and grow together.